Hello and welcome to CA Workload Automation Agent install tutorial. Today we will install an R11.3 agent on a Linux host. You will need to download the R11.3 agent DVD from the CA support site. The agent DVD image contains all the agent installers for all the supported OS. It also comes with all the plugins or business agents. You will need the following information during the install. Manager related information like name, IP, and port. You need to decide on an encryption key. We're going to install a 64-bit agent on a 64-bit Red Hat Linux. For more information on supported OS, please check the bit.ly link shown here. The agent requires about 200 to 500 megs of disk space. It is recommended that you have about 500 megs of free disk space available. We're now going to install the agent. The Linux and UNIX installers will usually start in a console or a command line mode, as shown here. Accept the license and follow the default prompts. You may change the values as per your requirements. You can enter the encryption key as shown here. The agent has installed. To start the agent, navigate to the agent install directory and use the cyb agent command to start the agent. The -A starts the agent and as a service or as a daemon. To stop the agent, you can use the same cyb agent command with -S to stop. This concludes the tutorial for agent installation. Thank you.